wee bit of a different journey today. We're going to pick up some cars, one of them being that Mini there. So we're going to go to a trailer hire centre in Stirling to pick up a car transporter. So I'm just on the way to pick up Apprentice Pat, and it will head to Stirling. It's early morning, so we're quite busy on that road. We'll get the trailer, come back, pick up the Mini, and we'll take the Mini to a place called Wishaw, which is about 5 or 7 miles away. And the reason is it looks like the cam chain has broken on the Mini, and Apprentice Pat's just wanting to get the car to a garage to see what the damage is, whether he scraps the car or gets it fixed and sells it. So I think he was offered about £300 to scrap the car, but obviously that's not much value. It's probably worth about £4,000. So if it costs him £1,000 to fix it, or £2,000 to fix it, it's probably worthwhile doing that, then selling it to We Buy Any Car. So that's the plan with Apprentice Pat's car. The other car we're picking up is Apprentice Paul's wife's car, Karine. So that's a Range Rover Evoque 2015, and the steering rack bolts have snapped on it, which is a very common problem for Range Rover Evoques of that age. We do have 3 in our family, and that's the first one to go, which is the older one, to be fair. The other ones are 2012 and 2013. Ones are pure and ones are dynamic. So these 2 cars that we have not had any problems with the bolts, but it is my intention in the summertime to maybe change the bolts on the cars. So we're going to pick that one up, winch it onto the trailer, and we will take that to Land Rover in Glasgow. They have confirmed it's a known fault, and I do believe they only fix it on fail. So I did take my wife's car to Land Rover and they inspected it, and they didn't change the bolts. They just said if it fails, we'll then fix it. So that's the plan. So we'll progress up to Apprentice Pat's house and we'll pick him up. He's not an early bird, so we're all retired, and we will head to Stirling. Right, so this is us arrived at Raymies garage, and Pat's going to get he's going to try and bring that down before we put the ramps out, so we'll need to get the ramps out first, get it all ready, we'll do that. So we need this device here to pivot it. So these latches here. Well, the wee latch there lately. That, I think. Ah, shoot. Okay. So we're going to roll the Mini down. So yeah, a good trail of that. Pivots. We'll probably have to get the winch to winch this car on. And we'll do that once Pat's got the Mini down, because it doesn't drive. So he's going to have to freewheel it. Looks like the brakes are jammed on.
It's been live for a month or two, it's stick.
Right, is it ready to roll?
Ready to roll now, aye.
Right. That's us. Oh my god, that's horrendous. You foot off the brake. Fucking braking all the way around there.
No, I'm just getting put on the brake, I wasn't actually putting the brake.
Keep going. Right, winch is on. I hope the handbrake's off.
Handbrake's off, it's in neutral. You want to just steer it a bit more.
Right, so that's us got the Mini on the trailer, all tied up. Apprentice Pat's doing the last bit. Everything's secure. I'll just double check the handbrake. Got any gear. That's that. And let's hope it doesn't move.
Let's hope it doesn't fucking fall off. It's the next one you need to worry about more.
so that's us on the way to Wishaw with the Mini in tow. Let's hope it doesn't fall off. We're using this camera here, the reverse camera. Set that as the camera to keep an eye in the back of it, so as we can watch it fall off if it does fall off. So here we are at Apprentice Paul's house, trying to put the Evoque on the trailer because the steering rack's away on it. Let's see if it'll turn. Let's go forward. Turn. Keep going. Turn. Right, okay. Keep going. Keep going.
Abandon that idea.
Keep going. You're nearly there. Keep going. You could go back and turn it, reverse it a wee bit. Reverse.
You need to straighten the trailer.
Reverse it back and take that. Moving a wee tiny bit. Right, try go forward now, full lock. Watch that hook part. Keep going, Joe, Paul. Stop. Back a wee fraction. Right hand down. Right, that you forward and left hand down.
What's the other fuel range?
There's plenty of space. There you go. There you go, perfection. I've reversed that trailer in there perfectly for that. Right, so we'll get it all lashed down.
You want me to hold the camera?
Handbrake on.
No, I'll just do that.
Handbrake and park.
Let's put itself on.
I think it does, Paul.
Put itself on.
that's us here at Land Rover South in Glasgow. Apprentice part, it's got a sword back. And we've got the Evoque here, and plenty of Land Rovers round about here. So this particular garage gets a reasonably good reputation in Glasgow, unlike the one in Motherwell. So this is my last stop for the day. We'll drop this off hopefully in a minute when Apprentice Paul's got his instructions to park the vehicle. Yeah, quite a big depot, and some nice new Land Rovers and Range Rovers going about the place. But that's us. After this we go back to Stirling and we take the trailer back, and it's very efficient and very cheap to hire a trailer. To hire that trailer for the day, which was £62, which of course Apprentice Pat and Paul's going to be paying for, plus the mileage and the driver and the use of the Range Rover.